Hello everyone, today we are talking about small steps make big change. Many people wait for motivation before they start something, but real change begins with a tiny action. So today I'll show you how small steps can help you learn, work and grow every single day. If I need to talking about the truth about motivation, you don't need to feel ready. Most of the time we don't feel ready, we don't feel excited, we don't feel in the mood. But that's normal. Why normal? Motivation comes after you start, not before. When you take the first step, your brain wakes up and say you actually, oh, we are doing this. Okay, let's continue. So don't wait to feel ready, just begin. I'm gonna give you a simple trick. Focus on one easy task. When a task feels big, your brain gets scared. So break it into something very small pieces. Instead of clean the house, say wash one cup. Instead of study English, maybe you can say learn one new word. Instead of exercise, say walk for 5 minutes. It's enough for me. Say a small task actually feels safe and small tasks feel possible. And trust me, when you finish one small task, you want to do next one. When it comes to everyday habits, tiny action build your future. Make your habits simple. Watch 5 minutes of English video. Read one small paragraph. Maybe listen to one podcast while walking. Write one sentences in a notebook. I don't know, maybe. These habits look small, I know, but over the time they create a big results. You don't need perfection, only consistency. Final advice from my point of view, start before you feel like starting. Your future self will always thank you for starting today. Ask yourself one question. Will I feel better after I do this? If the answer is yes, begin now. Just 5 minutes. Just one action. Motivation will follow you. And the last thing is easy, yes. Actually, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, blah 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 blah. See you in the next one. If the video helped you even a little bit, I'm really happy. Remember, one step, one small step actually every day can change whole life. So start today, start small and keep going. Okay, take care and keep going.